Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to use WhatsApp in your local language. If you want more useful videos like this, make sure you subscribe and enable the bell icon. Let's get started. Go to WhatsApp and tap on the menu button on the top right corner and go to settings. Click on chats and you will find an option called app language. Click on it and select your language. That's it. Hope you like this video. If you did, please click on that like button and make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to check out my other videos on the screen. Thanks for watching.